Patron, take them away.
Okay guys, literally just gone to market on cable because it was requested in the market call this morning with the guys, and it's triggered. So I'm going to enjoy my coffee, I'm going to enjoy my crumpets, and I mean these crumpets, not this crumpet. Well, I'll enjoy that crumpet as well if you want. So this might be a very quick video, boys and girls. If you haven't been here before, I do apologise for my sense of humour. It is horrendous, but we do trade for a living. You see it live every day, and if you're in the squad, we have a Zoom call every single day as well, where we talk the charts and go through it all. So let me flick it on, quickly tell you what it is that I'm up to. So this morning I've already been in the markets and got a little bit out. I was in a bit early yesterday with that one, so I had to kill it off, but I was net positive, so I'm not really fussed about things like that. Now this one here is cable, and if we can see, I've already entered the position, so it's the only ticket that's running. And the plan is to go from here. I've got in a little bit late. I wanted to be in up there, but we're going to try and get it down into this region here. So it's from that red zone into that red zone. So I've marked it out so you can clearly see it. So where's the idea come from? Well, everything I do comes from the hourly. So if I look at the hourly, we can see it's in congestion. It's quite dirty candles actually, reds and greens and one thing and another. But you can see a solid move here. There's a solid move there. And it's contained inside of this move. So it hasn't breached the top. It got lower again. So it's high, lower, high, lower, high. So the general motion is down. I don't mind it pushing up on itself. So from here, all the way up to this line here, I'm willing to stage it, if that's the case. And if it just runs for me and gets down to there, brilliant. Right? But we're going to follow this pressure down to catch the bases of these, and we're going to get out a little bit before this level here. You can see it's got a dotted line underneath it as well, symbolizing it's a very strong level. And setting the target back slightly just means I'm not going to get nipped out by the spread, because sometimes when you get to a level, the level will bounce the price, but you haven't gone that extra 2 pips or whatever your spread is to get there. It just keeps you in the trade. So just set it back slightly, covers the spread, hits the level, and you're out. Okay, so that's what we're going to do. I'll leave it on a 5-minute chart, and then I'll come back to you at the end of the trade. Okay, catch you in a bit. Okay, that's the job done. Nosy's come up to see what's turned up in the post, which I'll show you in just a second.
Nosy.
I'll be you.
I'm just inquisitive.
You're inquisitive. Fucking nosy.
Sounds better.
This has played out pretty much what I wanted. I scaled out. It never closed above this area, which is what I wanted. If it had closed above it, I would have had to go into damage control to get out. But I was reasonably confident that this thing was going to plummet. Why? Well, because if we look at this, it's working its way back down into these regions. And put these clear marks in to see, and it's stalled bang on it. Happy days. So we've now got nothing running, tickets is empty, and there we go. So that's 559 quid over the course of the last 2 days. I'm more than happy with that. I can live with that because it was planned. And that's the basis of everything we do. You've got to plan it out. Now, I did plan this morning. And if I pull this up, pull down. This is the Discord group, by the way, guys. You are welcome to come along. We have a good chat every single day. Week ideas. I did the DAX just as a fib markup to show where the all-time highs are and how to get beyond that. And then also this one here, which is this exact trade that we've done. And that was done at 9:30 this morning, and it's now currently 2 o'clock. So it's all pre-planned and sort of stated before we go to market. I can't get that any fairer. So let's see what's turned up. Whoa. Now, I've got a good idea who it's from because I know who that is. This is Ben. It's a little salute to you, my friend, over in New Zealand. And Ben, bloody hell's teeth.
Put a bit of effort into it.
Ooh. Now, effort. Bloody hell.
Where's your muscles?
I haven't got any. And the one muscle I used to like, that's fucking gone on. Right.
Oh, look.
It's from Black Bull. Because I trade with Black Bull and they look after me because I do quite well with them. So let's have a look and see what they've sent me. If you don't know who Black Bull is, it's one of the brokers that I use. And oh, let's have a. This is quite good actually. It's quite well wrapped. So, oh, thanks Ben. This is the packaging. What have we got? Oh wow! Look at this lot. Oh, that's absolutely that's superb, Ben. Thank you very much. Personal handwritten letter, thanking me for working with them and sort of trading for them and all that sort of stuff. That is absolutely superb. Thank you. So I've got a mug. It's nearly as good as my mug, Scruffy mug. It's good. You can have that. That's a Leonard. Oh, pen. Absolutely fantastic. There you go. Proper Black Bull hat. My Black Bull hat. Put that on. Got me notepad. This is good. This is good. Oh wow. Proper shirt. How nice is that? That'll fit on the wench because I'm a bit bigger than what that is. Oh no, it's a girly bag. And my overnight bag. Oh wow. There you go. Fantastic. That's for you. So boys and girls, sometimes working hard pays off. Oh, thanks. That's superb. Thank you. That is really good. I'll drop you a message personally. But that's superb. That. Wow. So not only do I get thanks from you guys, I get thanks from companies that I deal with. And I only support companies that I personally use. I don't get paid to do any of it. I just do it because I want to show you what I get up to. Oh, isn't that nice?
It is.
That's pretty cool, that. Fantastic. So I've got my hat, keep the shine off me head. How's that? There you are. Let's see my pretty face. You can do that now. Oh, look at that. Wow. I'm a bit speechless, really.
It's not like you.
I know, it makes a change. Anyway, trade's done. Paid quite well. Followed the plan right through. And that's the result. And then following on from that, got a lovely surprise from Black Bull. So as always, guys, trade well, keep your risk managed, but above all, do what you love, and the money will follow. See you all in the next one.